Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Alienware M18 R2 gaming laptop, a true gaming powerhouse built to dominate everything. Before we dive deep into this monster's performance, make sure to check out the link in the description below to grab this beast today at the best discounted price available. Stock is flying fast. Gear emoji, raw power, Intel Core i9-14900HX. At the heart of the M18 South African rand is the Intel Core i9-14900HX, delivering top-tier performance with up to 24 cores and insane multitasking ability. Whether you're gaming, rendering, streaming, or all three at once, this CPU handles it with absolute ease. Video game emoji, graphics powerhouse, NVIDIA RTX 4080. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080, 12GB GDDR6, you're getting cutting-edge ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and enough raw graphics power to run Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, or Flight Simulator at max settings with buttery-smooth frame rates. This GPU is a game-changer, literally. Desktop computer emoji, massive 18QHD Plus display, built for immersion. 18 inches QHD Plus, 2560 by 1600. 165 Hz refresh rate. 3 milliseconds response time. 16:10 aspect ratio. With ultra-fast refresh and incredible color accuracy, every game looks fluid, sharp, and immersive. It's a display made for pro-level performance, no compromises. Ice emoji, superior Alienware Cryotech cooling. The Cryotech cooling system includes a vapor chamber, quad fan design, and Element 31 thermal interface, keeping everything cool under pressure. Even during long gaming marathons, this laptop stays frosty and quiet. Mini disk emoji, memory, storage, and expandability. 32GB DDR5 RAM, upgradable. 1TB SSD with ultra-fast read/write speeds. Boots in seconds, loads games instantly, and handles dozens of apps simultaneously without lag. There's room to upgrade, but this config is already a multitasking beast. High volume emoji, design, build, and audio. Premium Alienware Legend 3.0 design with RGB lighting. Dolby Atmos audio for immersive gaming sound. Full-size RGB mechanical keyboard. Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi 6E, and all the modern ports you need. Alienware nailed both the aesthetics and the functionality here, bold, durable, and ready for war. Battery emoji, battery life. Let's be honest, it's a performance machine, not a battery legend. Expect a few hours on mixed use. But with fast charging support, you're never out of action for long. White check mark emoji, pros. Black check mark emoji, flagship Intel Core i9-14900HX. Black check mark emoji, RTX 4080 equals top-tier gaming and creative power. Black check mark emoji, huge 18QHD Plus display with 165 Hz refresh. Black check mark emoji, superior thermal cooling and quiet performance. Black check mark emoji, premium build with full RGB and upgrade options. Cross mark emoji, cons. Cross mark emoji, big and heavy, not ideal for travel. Cross mark emoji, battery life is limited under heavy load. Cross mark emoji, premium price, but worth every rupee. Bullseye emoji, final verdict. The Alienware M18 South African rand is an absolute beast of a gaming laptop. If you're looking for desktop-class performance in a semi-portable package, whether you're gaming, editing, or working in high-performance environments, this is one of the best choices in 2025. Fire emoji, want to grab this monster before it goes out of stock? Click the link below to check the best deal available today and secure your next gaming weapon.